and welcome back to another live day trading episode with your boy Money Spence. In today's live day trading episode, we're going to utilize a 1-minute strategy to make $200 or more in 30 minutes. Without further ado, let's take a deep dive into the morning episode. Before we start the day off, I just want to go over some quick, profit and some quick, gains that we've been making for the past 3 weeks. So on one account, your boy, he's currently up $3,185.66. We go down here to our P&L chart. For this month, currently up $902.48. We only had one red day. For the month of September, we're up $2,283.18. We had all green days. Let's go to our other accounts. So your boy Money Spence, he's currently trading with 3 funded $50,000 accounts. So in our other account, we're currently up $625.08. So if we divide that by 14 trading days, that's an average of $272.20 on a daily basis. So this goes to show you all that the strategy that we're currently, utilizing, it works in real time. So now we're going to take a deep dive and we're going to cover the economic calendar. This current moment, the economic calendar, we have a few things on here. So we have a Fed speaker at 9:45 a.m. So we need to keep a close eye on our position before we reach that time frame, because we may start seeing a lot of volatility when the Fed speaker starts speaking at 9:45 a.m. And then at 10 a.m. we have consumer sentiment. Hopefully they don't delay this report like they delayed the previous, reports all this week because of the government, shutdown. All right, family. So now we're going to take a deep dive and we're going to focus on support and resistance levels, and we're going to cover the overall market. This current moment, we have a bullish overall market. So we may have a uptrend today, or we may possibly, have a sell-off. That's where our support and resistance levels are going to come into place. But based on what I'm seeing right now, a lot of the stocks and ETFs, they're currently, bullish. So keep a close eye on the move, possibly towards the upside if we start breaking above our pivot point and our resistance levels. All right, family. So first up on our list, we have IWM. So IWM, these are for our, options traders. We're going to cover IWM, SPY, and the Qs, and then we'll focus on the support and resistance levels for our futures traders. So for IWM, we have a key support level at $245.28. We have a key pivot point at $245.75. If we can break and hold above that level, the first level of resistance, that's currently at $246.13. So make sure you all keep a close eye on those levels if they start to develop at 9:30 a.m. For SPY, we have a key support level at $670.80, and we have a key pivot point for SPY. That's currently at $671.67. If we can break and hold above that level, the first resistance level is currently at $672.68. So make sure you keep a close eye on those levels when the market opens up. For the Qs, we have a key support level at $610.13, and we have a key pivot point at $611.23. If we can break and continue to hold above that level, the first resistance level for the Qs, it's going to be at $612.39. Family, make sure you all keep a close eye on your chart today. Make sure you keep risk management at the top of your mind. We're about to have a phenomenal day trading day, and it's about to be showtime. Let's go, family. Let's lock in, family. So we have our support and resistance levels on our chart at this current moment. We're currently trading below the blue pivot point. We have a 15-minute bearish candle developing on our chart. 25 seconds into the trading day. Let's go. It's about to be showtime. So for MNQ, we have a key support level number 1 that's currently at $25,281.09. And we have a key resistance level at $25,321.59. If you see your boy Money Spent step up to the plate, I'm only going to start off with one contract. One contract. So I want to get you all in the habit of not, going all in on your first entry, because we all know that we can have that pullback in our entry. It can be a little off. So that's why it's always best to start off with one contract. All right, family, let me pump the brakes really quick. We're starting to break above resistance level number 1. Everybody get ready. It's about to be showtime. Hold on 1 second. We have a key resistance level number 2 at $25,345.67. All right.
Order filled.
Start off with one contract right here since we're currently above resistance level number 1. Let's go. I'm only going to start off with one contract. If we continue to move higher, I'll average into my position. All right.
Order filled.
Buy a little bit more right here. Let's go. Come on. All right. So I'm going to highlight the candle where I got in at. I'm only going to start off with 2 contracts at this current moment. We're currently trading above VWAP. If we can break above resistance level number 2, you'll see me add 3 more contracts. Come on. Let's go. We currently have a bullish MACD at the bottom of our screen. Get ready, family. It's about to be showtime. All right, man, 3 more right here. Beautiful. Come on, keep going. Oh, we just had a key rejection right there. All right, so use caution, family. We just had a key rejection at resistance level number 2. I'm still holding my 5 contracts at the moment. All right, beautiful. All right, let me take some profits. All right, so I just secured profits, family. I'm going to get back in right here. One contract. Just secured some profits on that play. I'm going to highlight where the bulls stepped in at. If we can break and hold above resistance level number 2, I'll add a little bit more to my current position. At this current moment, I'm only holding one contract, and I already sold my first order. If we can break above resistance level number 2, that's going to be my additional confirmation. At this current moment, we're currently bullish. We have a number of stocks on our left-hand side that is currently bullish, and we have Netflix. They're currently leading the way, and we have IWM behind Netflix, and we have Apple in 3rd place. And AVGO, it's currently dropping towards the downside. All right, family. So the sellers, they're currently trying to sell this thing off. I highlighted the bullish candle where the bulls stepped in at. The sellers, they stepped in at 9:32 a.m. Keep a close eye on your chart. We have a bullish MACD at the bottom of our screen. We're still holding above VWAP, which is the purple line on our chart. We have VWAP at $25,315.28. I already secured profits right here at 9:32 a.m. Now I'm only holding one contract. When I see the bulls step back in, I'll buy a little bit more. But at this current moment, I'm only holding one contract. So I already highlighted that one candle where the bulls stepped in at. And we're still trading above all of our key EMAs on the 5-minute time frame. So I just received an alert for Nasdaq towards the upside at 9:33 a.m. Now, let's see if the bulls going to step in. Let's see if the bulls want to step in. I'm not going to average into my position until I see a strong 1-minute bullish candle. So I just received another alert for the Nasdaq. I'm going to wait patiently, and then I'm going to take action once I see the bulls stepping in the 1-minute time frame. All right, let me get in right here. Currently holding 2 contracts. All right, let's see if we can break above $25,340. If we break above that level, I'll add some additional contracts to my current position. I'm only holding 2 contracts at this current moment. And the Nasdaq, it just reached a new 52-week high. So not MNQ. I'm keeping track of another instrument that follows MNQ. So I'm only holding 2 contracts at this current moment. I'm currently down on my current position. I'm down about 48 bucks. Down about 48 bucks and already secured profits. All right, family. So we can start looking to start implementing the 5-minute ORB strategy. So that's based on the first 5-minute low and the first 5-minute high of the day. Let's go, family. It's about to be showtime. If we break above this key level right here, I'll add a little bit more to my current position. And let me set up an alert above the 5-minute ORB. All right, the bulls, they're currently stepping in, family. I'm about to buy one more contract.
Order filled.
All right, so now I'm holding 3 contracts at this current moment. Let's go. Come on. We're currently trading on the 1-minute time frame. Remember, the bulls, they already stepped in, family. I'm going to add one more right here. Come on. keep going. All right. So I'm currently green on my current position. We may get the bulls stepping in pretty soon. So get ready, family. And make sure you take profits whenever you're comfortable with the profits. Do not be greedy. We're not greedy over here. Already secured profits right here in this area on this 1 minute candle. Let's see if we can break above this level right here. And good morning, everyone who just joined the stream. Good morning. We're currently bullish on NQ. We're currently bullish at this current moment. I'm holding about 3 contracts, stop loss in place. Currently down on my current position about 30 bucks. Not going to panic. We still have a bullish MACD at the bottom of our screen. Keep a close eye on the 1 minute candles, family. I'm currently green on my current play. If we break above resistance level number 2, that's currently at $25,345.67. We break above that level, I'm gonna add a little bit more. All right, we buy a little bit more right here. Come on, beautiful. Buy a little bit more right here. So I'm currently holding 5 contracts right now, family. Get ready.
Order filled.
All right, so I just secured profits on that long towards the upside.
Order filled.
We get back in right here near resistance level number 2.
Order filled.
Buy a little bit more right here. Come on, keep going. Beautiful.
Order
Buy a little bit more right here. Currently holding 3 contracts. Already secured profits on 2 orders. Let's see if we can continue to move high. We're currently trading near resistance level number 2. Let's see if we can go to resistance level number 3. We have resistance level number 3 at $25,362. Beautiful. I'm about to take profits pretty soon, family, so get ready.
Order filled.
All right, just secured profits once again. Just secure profit. Let me get back in right here. Beautiful. We just created a new pre-market high, a new intraday high.
Order filled.
Add a little bit more right here.
Order
a little
filled.
bit more right here. Beautiful. This is what I was waiting for, family. This is what I was waiting for. Let's see if we can start going higher. Beautiful. There we go. Beautiful.
Order filled.
All right, just secure profits on that play. Take some profits, family. We're currently trading near resistance level number 3.
Order
We
filled.
get back in right here. Come on, keep going. So everybody should have secured some profits around 9:37 a.m. I'm currently only holding 1 contract, 1 runner. That was a beautiful move towards the upside. We played that one to a T, family. Great job, everyone who took that trade with me. Great job. All right, so if we break above 25,330, $25,373.50, I'll add more to my current position. All right, let's go. I'm gonna add some more right here. Beautiful. Come on, keep moving higher. We still have a bullish MACD at the bottom of our screen. So the bulls, they're currently in charge, family. The bulls, they are in charge. So make sure you take some profits along the way. Don't be greedy. We're not greedy over here. We had a beautiful play right here. Nobody should have went short in this zone right here. The bulls, they stepped in pretty heavy. So I'm currently holding 2 contracts, trying to get this thing to push towards the upside. All right, so the bears, they're starting to sell this thing off. Let's see if we can get one more push before 9:45 a.m. See if we can get one more push. And we already broke above 3 resistance levels. We already broke above 3 resistance levels. So make sure you all start taking some profits. And if we break back above $25,375.75, I'll add a little bit more to my current position, but I'm only holding about 2 contracts at this current moment. We have about 10 more seconds before this 5-minute candle close, but we're currently on the 1 minute time frame, so we can get these quick, entries. The bulls, they're stepping back in, family, so get ready.
Order
I'm gonna add one more right here, currently holding 3 contracts towards the upside. Beautiful. Come on, keep moving. Come on. I would like to see if we can get to $25,393, but I'm actually going to sell this order around $25,380. All right, so I'm currently down on my current position. Use caution. Only holding 3 contracts at the moment. All right, so let's remove these drawings really quick so we can keep a close eye on these candlesticks. All right, so we have a key support level right here at $25,293. That's going to be our ORB support level for the first 15 minutes of the trading day. And we have a key resistance level at 25,700. I said 25,700, $25,376.75. That's going to be our resistance level. And remember, we already broke above 3 resistance levels. So we may start seeing some individuals take profits. So we went long right here in this area. And this was a quick, probably 4-minute play. I made about, about $325 on this quick, play right here in this area, family. It was beautiful. Now, hopefully everyone else was able to make some money as well. Nobody should be short at this current moment. Nobody should be short. We didn't break below this key level down here. That was a key support level. Keep a close eye on the chart. We're currently trading above 3 resistance levels. Some individuals, they may start taking profits right now. So make sure you all are taking profits along the way. Your boy Money Spence, he's already up $325 to start the day. I want to try to at least make about $120 more. So right now I'm just waiting patiently for this next, move towards the upside. And based on what I'm seeing right now, it's a strong possibility that we might, get it. I'm not seeing any, strong 1 minute, bearish candles on our chart. We still have the bulls. They are currently in charge. And if we go to the 15-minute time frame, we have a strong 15-minute candle on the open. So that's usually a good sign for a move towards the upside. Now, let's see if this move is going to continue. Let's see if this move is going to continue. We're still trading above VWAP as well. That's a good sign for us. We have some sellers taking profits right now. I'm currently down on my current position, down about 75 bucks. But guess what? Your boy Money Spence, he's not going to panic. We don't panic over here. We're professionals. Let's go. And we only trade over here for 30 minutes per day. 30 minutes per day to make our goal, and then we're done. All right, so the buyers, it look like they're trying to step back in, family. Get ready. It's about to be showtime. If we break above this key resistance level right here, it's going to be showtime. And that's going to be a key profit taking point above that level. So the bulls, they stepped in this area right here. And they also stepped in right here on the open. We need them to step in this area over here so we can start pushing that thing towards the upside. We already have a new intraday high at $25,376.75. So the Fed speaker, he's about to start speaking in approximately 25 seconds. I would like to get out of this position, pretty soon. I don't want this, Fed speaker jacking up my order. We have 5 more seconds before they start speaking. Let's go, family. All right, so we can start implementing the 15-minute ORB strategy. If we break above this 15-minute resistance level, get ready. All right, beautiful. Let's go. Beautiful. All right.
Order filled.
I just secured profits, family. Make sure you take some profits.
Order filled.
Just secured profits.
Order filled.
Beautiful. So far for the day, your boy Money Spence, he's up a nice sizable amount for the first 15 minutes of the trading day. So I'm currently up $456.60. Let's go, family. We played this to a T. All right. So let me check out the poll. So we had a poll for the first, few minutes of the trading day. What's your main trading goal right now? I want to learn a little bit more about the subscribers that follow me, every single day and watch these, live streams. So we have one answer: make 100 through 200 bucks daily consistently. We have 58% of the members, they want to make between 100 and $200 consistently on a daily basis. And family, you can do that with this day trading strategy that I'm showing you all in real time. So the day trading strategy, it's based off of utilizing the RSI. That's at the bottom of our screen. You see the RSI at the bottom of our screen? It was green. So that was giving me, some confirmation that the bulls, they were stepping in. If we look at the MACD at the bottom of our screen, the MACD, it was green. That's a bullish, indication if the candlesticks are aligning with MACD. So MACD, it helps us out with identifying the trend. And we were also trading above VWAP. VWAP, that's the purple indicator on our chart. So that's another technical indicator that you can start utilizing as a beginner day trader. So once we broke out of that, I said, hey, it's showtime. I'm looking for a move towards the upside. And we were also trading above resistance level number 1. And then we started to trade towards resistance level number 2, and then 3. So that was giving me my confirmation to focus on the move towards the upside. And we had some beautiful 1-minute bullish candles in the open as well. Whenever you see a strong 1-minute bullish candle like that, that's usually giving us an indication that, hey, this move, it want to continue towards the upside. And that's exactly what we did on the open. And we had a follow through in this area right here. So I secured profits about maybe 3, or 4 times utilizing all of these technical indicators. So hopefully you all are jotting down some notes and paying close attention to the strategy that we use consistently on a daily basis to make between $100 to $200 a day consistently. So for the past 3 trading weeks, you all have been able to see me make consistent gains utilizing this strategy. So 17% of our members, they want to grow a small account fast. So the primary way you can grow a small account fast is utilizing this momentum-based strategy that I use every single day. And I'm usually primarily operating off of the 1-minute time frame to get a quick read on the market. And then in some cases, you'll see your boy Money Spence go to the 5-minute time frame to get a quick read on the trend, confirmation. And I'll also utilize, some EMAs. If you look at the EMAs on our chart, right, we have the 20, the 50, and the 200 EMA. The 20 EMA, that's the green line. The 50 EMA, that's the yellow line. The 200 EMA, that's the red line. Whenever we're trading above these EMAs, and you can use this as a beginner trader, whenever we're trading above these EMAs, that's usually a strong move towards the upside. But you've got to make sure that the 20 EMA is above the 50 EMA, and the 50 EMA is above the 200 EMA. So that's usually giving us a good indication that, hey, this move, it want to continue to go higher. So that's another way how you can grow a fast account, family. And we had 23% of the members, they said they want to learn and master a strategy. So you can learn and master this strategy with Money Spence every single day. And you want to also make sure that you're taking your studying serious as well. So go back and look at the past, 10, 11, live streams, and look at to see how, what I was calling out in real time, and to see how the candlesticks was reacting in real time. You'll be able to pick up on this strategy, eventually, but it's going to take some time and some studying, effort to get to this level of mastery that your boy Money Spence is at. And we have 0% of the members, they said, no, they don't want to go, full time as a trader. So your boy Money Spence, he's a full-time day trader. But as a full-time day trader, I only trade for about 30 minutes per day, family, 30 minutes. So when I was a banker for a regional bank here in Maryland, I used to have to work about, 8 hours per day. So one day I got fed up and I, typed up my 2 weeks notice, and I've been on my own ever since as a full-time day trader. Now I've had a little bit of bumps in the road, but man, this is a beautiful, experience. Just think about it. You just seen your boy Money Spence make $456 in a matter of 15 minutes day trading, and you all can do the exact same thing. If I can do it, I know for sure you all can do it. All right, family, let's get back to the chart. We have about 10 more minutes before this session is over. I just wanted to give you a quick, educational, lesson and quick, motivational speech to keep our traders, motivated and keep our traders, going. All right, family. So the bears, they're currently stepping in. Keep a close eye on a possible move towards the downside. We had a key resistance level at $25,388. Now, if we break below $25,318.70, that's going to be a possible move towards the downside. And if you do get in short, make sure you keep a close eye on this support level right here and take profits right there. But a good entry for a short position was right here at 9:47 a.m. And you can start taking profits down here in this zone. But make sure you're patient with your order. Make sure you're patient with your order, family. And good morning, everyone who just joined us. So, family, please do me a favor. If you're currently, enjoying this live stream and you're enjoying the, commentary and the valuable information, please make sure you click that like button and make sure you're subscribed to the Money Spence channel so you won't miss any of this valuable day trading information that's produced Monday through Friday from 9:30 a.m. through 10 a.m. So please click that like button for me, family. Let's go. I'm showing everyone how to make fast gains within 30 minutes every single day. And I'm going to show you all how to process a payout from the prop firm. So if you're really trying to grow a small account, I would probably recommend trading with a prop firm because it only takes about $50 to get started with the prop firm. It only takes about $50. So good morning, Cole Fizzle. Good morning. Good morning, Teddy. SJ, good morning. Stock Up, good morning. Aaron, good morning. G Nice, good morning, family. So let me see. G Nice said, how much for a 1 month mentorship? Hey, G Nice, you know what, my brother? Since you've been a continuous supporter, you're always, active in the chat. I'm going to reach out to you and I'm going to give you a free 30-minute coaching session, family, to mentor you. So don't worry about, paying, 1 month subscription, right now. I'm going to give you a free coaching, lesson to get you, leveled up. Because I remember you saying you wanted to make about, 100 through 200 bucks consistent on a daily basis. So I'm going to work one-on-one with you to get you to that, level. And I'm also going to continue to, give out free coaching subscriptions as well. So make sure you all continue to stay, locked in, and you'll be able to get some of that free, mentorship as well. And just make sure you're, active in the chat and, you're liking the YouTube videos as well, because your boy, he's currently, doing this for free. I don't charge the members to join this stream. I don't charge, anything. I'm just giving free game to beginner traders or intermediate traders, or even, advanced traders to help them get to that next level in real time. I'm not just sitting behind, a Discord, just typing in, information or only talking to you all in the morning for about 5 minutes. I'm taking my good old time for 30 minutes to really lock in and build something, real here. I'm helping you all build a consistent, strategy that works consistently, so make sure, help me out with that engagement to help this live stream reach, other traders. You feel me? All right, family. So let's see what the market is going to do. We had a key, bearish setup from 9:47 through 9:52 a.m. And G Nice, you welcome, my brother. You are welcome, family. I really appreciate, your support, for being, active, in the chat, for liking the YouTube videos, for showing up on a weekly basis. Really appreciate that, family. So I usually charge $100 for traders to, meet with me for, a few minutes. But I'm going to give that to you for free, my brother. All right, family. So let's see what this market is going to do, family. Let's see what this market is going to do. And I'm going to show everyone in real time how to process a payout from the prop firm. I've already received about $20,000 in payouts from the prop firm. And I want to help you all get to that level as well. I want to help you all get to that, level of getting consistent payouts from the prop firm. You feel me? That's my, goal, to help you all become funded traders. I want to help you all become funded traders with your boy Money Spence. All right. right, so I guess the information, it didn't update yet. Let me see. Let me go to the dashboard. Let me see. Let me go to this account. Payouts. All right, so I guess we're still waiting for that information to update. All right, family. So the bulls, they're stepping in on the 5-minute time frame. Make sure you keep a close eye on your chart. Keep a close eye on your chart, family. All right, let me see. Boom. I'm gonna set up an alert right here. Let me set up an alert right here. Let's see if we can break back above $25,350. And let me check out something really quick. 152.20 times 3. All right. All right, family. So let's check out the P&L really quick. Let's check out the P&L real quick. All right. So far for the day, I'm currently up $152.20. All right. So the bulls, they're currently stepping up. So I'm trading in three $50,000, funded accounts. So in this account, up 152, in the other account, 152, and in the other, $50,000 account, 152. So if we multiply that by 3, that's $456.60. And I'm just utilizing the copy trader feature with the prop firm. So far in this account, I'm up $3,337.86 for the past 3 weeks. In the other account, currently up $152.20. In the other account, currently up $777.28. That's probably about close to 44,000 and some change in profits for the past few weeks. So that's good, family. That's some great trading right there from your boy Money Spence. And I want to help you all get to this level of mastery as well. I want to help you all get to this level. So after this live stream is over, I have a link in the YouTube description to become a funded trader. Make sure you all go to that link and sign up for the $50,000 challenge account to become a funded trader. And once you pass that challenge account, the prop firm, they'll give you a $2,000 funded account that you'll have to pay $150 for. So that's a $200 investment. And this is a free promotion on my end. I don't get paid anything from Topstep. The only time I get paid is when I make money for 5 non-consecutive days of $150 or more. So I'm not receiving any payments from them. I'm just trying to help you all get to that funded level and use other people's money instead of utilizing your own money. I've already invested about $100,000 into my day trading business. And once I came across, this prop firm, it was a game changer for my day trading career, family, a game changer. I didn't have to, pit up a massive amount of my own money. I'm using the firm's money and I'm only utilizing a small percentage of my money. So that funded account that I just showed you that had about $3,300 and some odd dollars in it, I only paid $150 for that account. And it's already, grown substantially off of $150 investment. So that's the point I'm trying to get you all to becoming funded traders and utilizing other people's money. All right, family. So the bulls, they're currently stepping in. Keep a close eye on the chart. I'm going to set up an alert right above this level. Let me set up an alert right above that level. And good morning, everyone who just joined the live stream. Please do me a favor and click that like button. You all are currently trading with a funded trader with 3 $50,000 funded accounts with the prop firm. All right, family. So let's see what the market is going to give us right now. We're still holding above our key EMAs, the 20 EMA, the 50 EMA, and the 200 EMA. So we played this move on the open from, I'm going to highlight the areas where we played at this morning. So we played a move on the open right here from 9:30 until 9:47 a.m. And we were able to bank 400 and some odd change in a matter of only trading for about 15 minutes. 15 minutes, family. So let me see. Cold Fizzle said, great job, consistent gains. Thank you, Cold Fizzle. And Cold Fizzle, you're another subscriber who's always, active in the chat. I want to give you of free mentorship as well. So that's my 2 traders that I'm going to give, free mentorships to for this week. So it's G Nice and Cold Fizzle. So I'll reach out to you two via, Discord, or you all can send an email to ts3.daytrading@gmail.com, and we'll set up your one-on-one coaching session with your boy, Money Spence. So family, let me see if the dashboard has loaded up, because I want to show you all how to process a payout in real time. Gotta wait for this damn dashboard, to load up. So it's not loading up. All right. So family, man, I really appreciate all of you for rocking with your boy Money Spence. We had a phenomenal, trading week for this past, 3 trading weeks, and this week you've all seen your boy Money Spence make consistently $200 or more on a daily basis, only trading for about 15 through 30 minutes max. And I want to continue to show you all how to get to that level of mastery of making about $200 consistently on a daily basis, and racking in these fast gains within 30 minutes of trading. I'm showing you all that we don't need to sit at our laptop or our phones for hours throughout the day. We're making fast gains at a fast rate, and then we're done by 10 a.m. So make sure you all are subscribed to the Money Spence channel, and we'll continue to have these live streams on a weekly basis from 9:30 a.m. through 10 a.m. Monday through Friday. So I'm about to close it up, family. I really appreciate all of you for joining this session. I'm out, family. Peace. Really appreciate everyone for the continuous support. Everyone have a safe, blessed day, and I hope you all made some money with your boy, Money Spence. I'm out, family.